software. So first you go to the AutoCAD screen, switch off the grid mode and switch on the ortho mode. Then go to limits of the drawing, specify lower left corner 0, 0, upper right corner 297, 210, and then say zoom and say all. Then go to line, select some arbitrary point at the lower left corner of your screen, and then take the cursor onto the right side, take some distance and click on first button of the mouse, and again you take the cursor to the top side, take some distance and click on the first button of the mouse and press enter key. Then go to offset, take the dimension of 297 because 297 by 210 is the dimension of the sheet of A4. You select this horizontal vertical line and take the cursor to the left side and just click on the first button of the mouse. And then go to again offset, take the distance as 210 and select object to offset. You select this line, that is the horizontal line, and take the cursor to the top side and just click on the first button of the mouse and then press enter key. Then go to zoom, type extends E, then zoom 0.6x, then go to fillet between this line and this line. Similarly between this line and vertical line. Similarly this vertical line and this horizontal line. Then go to zoom window, go to D-text, specify start point of text, select some point and take the height as 4, then the rotation angle as 0 and type 125, the problem number. Then go to A, then go to D-text and take 125, a hexagonal lamina of sides 30 mm is resting on HP with one of its corners in VP and its surface inclined at an angle of 30 degree with VP, the diagonal passing through that corner which is in VP is inclined at an angle of 45 degree to HP. Draw the projections. So this is the problem which is given. Now we want to do the problem by using AutoCAD software. So first we'll go for a polygon. Since it is a hexagon, type 6, take edge option, take some arbitrary point and take the dimension as 30 and type 30. Then go to move, select this and take it here. Then go to line command, draw the horizontal line at some distance and go to line, take intersection point of this and draw perpendicular to this. Then go to line, take intersection point of this and draw perpendicular to this. Similarly line, intersection point of this and draw perpendicular to this. Then go to line, take intersection point of this and draw perpendicular to this line. Then go to fillet between this line and this, and then fillet between these two. Then go to break, take first point int of this and say at the rate, and break first point, take int and say at the rate. And similarly you just check this and take these 3 lines and go to ch, go to layer, make this, then here first we'll go for the layer command. So here click on new and take the layer as XY, then click on new, take views, click on new and type locus, press enter key. Then go to layer line weight 0, set it to 0.05 and layer line weight of XY, set it to 0.13 and say OK. Go to views, take it 0.5, then say OK. Set the locus layer of 0.05 and click on the line type of locus, click on load, take D dash dot, say OK and select the dash dot and say OK. So the locus will have the dash dot line type and say close. Now we go to this, select this line, this and this and go to CH and go to layer, make this layer as you change it to views and say press escape and switch on the line weight display. And once you do that, then go to line, take intersection point of this and draw a horizontal line, and from here you draw the one more horizontal line. Then go to copy, select this entire thing and copy it to the next position. Then go to move, select this, take endpoint of this and perpendicular to this. Then go to move, then go to rotate. Since the previous selection was the same, I want to select again, just say previous, then take a base point, end of this. So what is the rotation angle? Counterclockwise direction is positive, so it is 210 degrees. So here anti-clockwise direction is positive, So now undo, then go to rotate, select this, take endpoint of this. So now I need to rotate it with command, select the objects, you select this entire thing, take base point, take 30 degrees. So here it will be rotated by 30 degrees. Then go to line, take intersection point of this and draw a horizontal line and take endpoint of this and draw perpendicular to this. Similarly, take line, int of this and draw perpendicular to this. Then go to fillet between these two. Similarly, line int of this and draw a horizontal line, take endpoint of this and draw perpendicular to this. Then go to line, take endpoint and draw perpendicular to this. Then go to fillet between these two. Then go to line, take intersection int of this and take intersection point of this. Similarly, line int of this and int of this and take intersection point of this. Then go to break, first point, take intersection of this and say at the rate. Similarly, break first point, intersection of this and say at the rate. Break first point, take intersection point of this and at the rate. Similarly, break first point, int of this and say at the rate. Break first point, int of this and say at the rate. And break first point, take int of this and say at the rate. Now we will going to select this individually and make this as the layer as views. Then go to group, select this select this and you select these two and you select these two, and entire thing you make it as a group, say Excel. Now we need to draw this. Go to line, select some point nearest at the rate, you take 100 angle less than 45 degree. Now we need to get the dimension of this. So go to DDIM, go to modify, go to linear dimension, you select precision up to second decimal point and then go to text. So make it as 4 and then align with the dimension line, centered becomes above. So take this dimension as 3, go to symbols and arrows, take the arrow size as 4, then go to lines, take offset from the origin as 3 and say OK and say close. Now we will go for dim horizontal, select this line, dim horizontal, you select between this point and this point, so you're going to get it as 60. Then dim horizontal, take intersection point of this to intersection point of this and take 51.6. Then go to circle, take nearest point, take the radius as 30 because the diameter is 60. So go to circle, take nearest point, and here from here you measure the dimension, take this as 60. So we're going to get this point, then go to break from here to here. Now we got the dimension, then go to line and draw a horizontal line. Similarly, go to circle, take center point of this and take the radius as 51.96. Then go to break, select this, break it in anti-clockwise direction of this circle, and similarly from here to here, then go to erase. Now we need to copy the second position top front view here. So to do that, copy, select this and take intersection point of this and take center of this. And now go to copy, rotate, select this, enter, base point, you take intersection of this and take reference, take intersection point of this and intersection point of this and rotate it back to this position. Now once you get this, now you break this line till here and then go to line, take intersection point of this here from this point, take this to perpendicular to this D. Then here you draw a line from intersection point of this and draw a horizontal line, take intersection point of this to perpendicular to this line. Similarly line, intersection point of this and draw perpendicular to this. Then go to fillet between these two. Similarly line, take intersection of this and these two lines are the endpoint of this to perpendicular to this line. Similarly intersection point of this and draw perpendicular to this. Then go to line, take intersection point of this and draw a horizontal line and take intersection point of this line, take intersection point of this and draw perpendicular to this. And go to fillet between these two and also fillet between these two. Now you go to line, take intersection of this, int of this, take intersection point of this and take intersection of this and take intersection point of this and take int of this and say close. Now we go for change command. This, go to layer, make this layer as views and then go to extend this line till to the boundary, then go to fillet between these two. Then you come down to this, take layer, make that it as locus, then you type it as 5 and press enter key and then escape. Then go to select on these 4 lines and then go to layer, you make that layer as XY. Then go to break this line till here. Now we go for DDIM, go to modify, then primary units, make this as precision as 0 and say OK and say close. So dim horizontal, you take between these two, which is going to be 30, and dim angular, select between this line and this line, so you're going to get it as 30 degrees. Then again dim angular between these two lines, so you're going to get it as 45 degree. Then dim angular, select between this line and this line, so go to text, give space and enter, so you will going to get this point. Then go to mtext, select this as the box, then go to symbol, select this symbol, keep it as alpha small letter A. Then you go to dtext and here you mark this as caps lock on, type X and you type Y here, and here you mark this as VP and you mark this as HP and put the caps lock off, type A dash, B dash, C dash, D dash, E dash and F dash, and here you type A, B, C, D and you mark E in bracket and mark F in bracket. Then go to zoom window, select this entire thing, then go to ortho mode off, move this X and you move this VP and you move this HP and you move this A, B and then F and similarly C, and to that we have E and here D. Then you take A dash, then come down to B dash and then C dash, then D dash, then E dash and then F dash. Now you go to copy, select this point D, then come down to C, and then E, then B, then F, then A. Similarly, copy A dash, again that A dash will come here, then go to B dash will come here, and that B dash will come here. Similarly, C dash, and that C dash will be here, then come down to D dash, and that D dash will come here. Then go to E dash, and that E dash will come here. Then F dash, that F dash will come here, and that F dash will come here. Then go to D text. Here you mark this point as and you mark this point as A, then you mark this point as B, you mark this point as C, D, E, and F, and enter. Then go to move, select A, select B, and select C, and select D, select E, and select F. Then go to zoom previous. So this is how you will be able to complete the drawing. Then go to save and go to appropriate drive, E drive, AutoCAD, lamina drawing P125. Save, and finally you exit the